Welcome back to our channel and to our new series, Cooking Old School. The series features authentic recipes from fresh products, and it is for people who would like to learn how to cook the traditional versions of the dishes they probably already know. And with that said, if you're looking for 20 minutes ragu recipe, skip this video. My name is Marta from Cooking the World. We produce one video a week, so please subscribe to our channel for more content about traditional food. For the traditional ragu, you will need minced pork and beef, minced or finely chopped smoked bacon, beef broth, olive oil, tomato paste, wine, milk, grated carrot, chopped celery and onion. The sauce will be seasoned with salt and pepper. No garlic, no oregano, no basil. And now let's just get into cooking. Take the largest pot you have and heat up olive oil on medium-low heat. As soon as the oil is ready, add chopped onions and cook until tender. Add the salt and stir from time to time. After the onions get soft, add rest of vegetables. Cook until tender while keep on stirring. Now it's time to add the meat, and please keep on stirring and wait until it turns brown. After those few minutes, you need to add a glass of wine and wait until it evaporates. In a small bowl, dilute tomato paste with a little bit of beef broth. Add the mixture and the rest of broth to the meat and combine all the ingredients. Turn the heat to low, cover the pan with a lid and simmer for 1.5 hours. Don't forget to stir the meat sauce from time to time. After this time, add a glass of milk, stir again and cook for another 5 minutes. At this point your sauce is ready and it's perfect as it is. Trust me on that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos.